Hello, greetings with dry hair that needs to be washed. So if you didn't know, I did receive some products from Good Hair Care, which contains purified black soap and bentonite clay. And then the next thing I have is the Condition Rose Mask Deep Conditioner. See, my hair is dry, tangly. It's time to wash. future Alyssa here. Yeah, I started a video with dark hair, and now I have light hair. Oops. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about the products and how they worked for me and my overall thoughts on them. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, firstly, the Onyx Detox Slip Shampoo. The Onyx Detox Slip Shampoo. Still smells the same. Of course, why would it change? But my overall experience with this is it does have slip. My hair definitely needed that detox. I didn't even know it, but after I used this, my hair changed. Like the texture, I won't say texture, the curl pattern, it kind of bounced back more than what it used to when I just shampoo with anything else. So this right here is not something I would say use weekly since it is a detox, but I would say use maybe every other week or monthly, depending on the products you use, if they're heavy or not, something like that. And then after I rinsed it out, my hair was a little rough feeling, but that I would, expect because it is a detox. But it's not a bad thing because I knew my hair needed it. So it's probably just product buildup that was just on there, and no wonder why my hair wasn't, curling like it used to or holding products. So I definitely recommend this. Next, we have the Rose Mask Deep Conditioner. Only problem is I had to use a lot, and I'm heavy-handed, so I mean, only thing is I wish it wasn't a big container, a bigger container, like the Shea Moisture big jugs of deep conditioner. If it was in something like that, I would love it even more. But I love this, like the whole line in general. I love, like, my hair was so moisturized, and the fact that using this after a detox just puts the cherry on the cake, on the ice cream, wherever you like your cherries. I don't care. But definitely try out the Rose Mask. It left my hair very moisturized, and the definition of my curls were crazy. Crazy. Third would be the Hydraluxe leave-in conditioner. It's in the name. Hydraluxe. It's in the name. Your curls gonna be hydrated. You don't even need that much. I was very handy-handed with all these products, and to think about it, I didn't really need that much. You only really need like a dime size, quarter size, maybe a little bit more, depending on how thick your hair is. I have like low, medium density hair, so I didn't need that much. But I love this leave-in conditioner, for sure. Herbal sealer. So for the herbal sealer, this is more of basically, after you put the leave-in conditioner on, you just put this in, and that's it. You don't need nothing else. You don't need no gel on top of it. You don't need oil on top of it. Hello? Rude? Yes, you don't need no oils on top of it or anything, because this has everything in it that you need. Lastly, we have the Gold Standard Super Growth Scalp Oil. Now this oil I actually use in every wash routine. Well, not wash, but style routine, I would say. I wouldn't say wash day, but it's part of the wash day because I wash my hair and then I use it when I style it. So I use this every time I style my hair on my scalp, and every time I use it, my scalp is never dry. It's always moisturized. You don't need a lot because it's thick. It's thick. She thick. So it has all the oils and essential oils that you need in here to get that maximum growth. Now, this may be part of why my hair grew as long as it did, if you've seen my recent pictures. But this right here, I would stock up on this for sure. This is in my top oils that I've used so far. So if you guys are interested in trying out Good Hair Care, make sure you go ahead and check out the information down below. They are going to change their name soon. Well, she is. Excuse me, not they. But she is going to be changing her name soon. Not sure when, but that as of right now, that's what it's called, Good Hair Care. So make sure you give her a check out, check out her Instagram, check her out, check out her website, and make sure you get some of these products. She makes all these products herself, handmade, on a daily. She's always trying something new, and she's always doing the best for your hair. Obviously, my hair is doing great. Even after getting color, it's doing great. So I highly suggest you guys get this, try it out for yourself, and see how you like it. And comment down below what else you would like me to do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.